Renew my heart, guide my steps. O Lord, in the stillness of this morning, let every anxious thought be quieted, and every restless worry find peace in divine presence. May the soul be drawn into sacred calm, where burdens are exchanged for trust and fear gives way to faith. Let strength rise where weakness once lingered. May the weary be lifted by unseen hands, and may the discouraged find new courage to stand, to hope, and to begin again. Let the breath of heaven restore what exhaustion has worn thin. Where the path ahead seems hidden, shine a light. Where choices feel heavy, offer clarity. May each step be ordered not by haste or fear, but by the gentle rhythm of divine wisdom and perfect timing. Let forgiveness be the balm that heals old wounds. May grace flow like a river through every hardened place, softening hearts and restoring what was lost. Let mercy be the language spoken in silence and in struggle. In the noise of the world, create space for stillness. In the rush of the day, carve out moments of sacred pause. May the heart be tuned to hear the quiet whisper of truth, and may that truth anchor every decision and every word. Bless those who feel forgotten. Wrap them in comfort that cannot be explained but only felt. May love reach into the loneliest corners and remind each soul that they are seen, known, and cherished beyond measure. Let this day be marked by kindness. May every encounter carry the fragrance of compassion, and every action reflect the light of heaven. Let healing ripple outward through even the smallest gestures of care. And as the sun rises, may it awaken purpose. Let this be a day of renewal, of guidance, and of quiet miracles, each one a reminder that heaven is near and hope is never far. When fear tries to speak louder than faith, silence it with truth. Let courage rise not from certainty, but from trust. May every trembling step be met with divine assurance, and every doubt be answered by grace. Let joy return to places long untouched. May laughter echo in hearts that forgot how to feel light. Let this day be a gentle reminder that restoration is possible, and that beauty still blooms in broken places. Amen. This new day holds more than tasks and routines. It holds the possibility of transformation. Even in the ordinary, there is sacred ground. Let the heart remain open to divine nudges, and let peace be the compass that steadies each step. As it is written, trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. May that promise be the anchor in uncertainty and the light in every decision. You are not walking alone. Grace goes before you, beside you, and behind you. So breathe deeply, speak gently, move boldly. Let this day be lived with intention and faith. The journey may be unknown, but the one who leads is faithful. You are held, guided, and deeply loved.